In the meantime, Mr. Golding has again raised concern about the number of police fatal shootings. INDECOM reports that since the start of the year, there have been 153 fatal shootings. 14 have been recorded so far for the month of June.
What has happened in the last 24 hours plus with 11 police fatal shootings is a concern to us. You know our position that we support the body-worn cameras being deployed on special operations. I think that we need to find ways of providing an assurance of accountability for the use of extreme force, deadly force, by the police. And I think the society is increasingly perturbed that we're seeing this elevated level of police fatal shootings and nothing really apparently in place to assure accountability around it.